As the coronavirus continues to spread globally, people are concerned that there will be periods of home confinement. In reaction to this, people have started panic buying and hoarding items like food staples, cleaning products, and medical supplies because of a perceived shortage in the future. Why is hoarding a bad idea? Meet Janice, a mother of two living paycheck to paycheck. She can only afford to buy what she needs for the month. She finds some essentials left on the shelves, but they are not the ones she usually buys. She can only afford half of the items in her basket. Bob has diabetes and requires alcohol swabs for his daily jab. However, they are sold out at the stores he frequents, and stocks will only be arriving in 2 weeks' time. Sally is a sales assistant at the supermarket. She has to work round the clock to replenish stocks for the next day and put away items that were damaged during the panic buying. This is Martin. He's a doctor. The hospital he works at is experiencing a shortage of face masks for his frontline staffs. This is the negative effect of panic buying and hoarding on society. If we only buy what we need, there is enough for everyone. Be responsible. Buy only what you need.